Hi, this is SADESIGN channel. Today I'm going to show you the quick, easy way to create a comic book effect from your photo. Let's jump right into it. After opening your photo, right-click to background layer and convert it into smart object. This helps to modify this layer non-destructively. Head to Image, Adjustment, Shadow, Highlights. In this window, increase the amount of shadow to 35%. Then OK. Duplicate this layer with Ctrl or Command J, then turn the copy layer off. Next, we'll add stroke to the canvas. In layer 0, right-click to it, open planning option, check to stroke, size 80 pixels, position inside, color white. OK. Add inner glow effect as well. Make sure the color is black and the values of other options just add below. Then confirm. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery. Open a static folder, select Border the edges. Set the edges thickness at 2, edge intensity at 1 and posterization at 2. Now turn back on top layer. Go to Filter, Pixelate, Color Halftone. Following these values, maximum radius 11 pixels. Keep the screen angle at default amount. Channel 1, 108, Channel 2, 162, Channel 3, 90, Channel 4, 45. OK. Change display mode to stoplight. Finally, we'll enhance the color a bit with vibrant adjustment layer. Increase it to 44. There you go. Feel free to download this stock in the description link. Thanks for watching.